Katulad sana tayo ng agila. Ano ba ang agila? Eagle is a six leadership principle. Ayaw niyang lumipad ng mababa. Malawak ang kanyang pangunawa. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run, not grow weary. And they will walk, not be faint. Siya rin po ay have accurate vision. Magaling ang kanyang paningin. Laging may nakafocus. Hindi siya kumakain ng patay. Do not rely on your past success. Lagi niyong tandaan, keep looking for new frontiers to conquer. May gagawin ako dito sa ating church. Hindi yung luma pa rin. Hanggang ngayon, luma pa rin. There must a paradigm shift. At ang agila, gustong-gusto niya ang bagyo. He loves storms. Because when clouds gather, eagles got excited. Bakit? Lalong lumalabay ang kanyang pakpak at lalo siyang makakalipad ng maayos. And I thank God. Why? Because there's always joy in serving the Lord. Sino dito ang mga papa, ang mga father, mga lolo? Taas ang kamay. Kayo are the pastor in your family. Kayo ang pastor sa inyong tahanan. Kung ikaw naman ay pinakakuya, ikaw rin ang pastor. Bakit? You lead them. Hindi ho madali ang pastor. Why? Because the highest calling, this is the holiest calling, and this is the hardest calling. Yet, it's the happiest calling. Ang saya maglingkod kaya.